my name is Dylan Martin. Today I'm going to be solving this trigonometric missing side problem. My first step is going to be labeling the three sides, hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. And we do that by using this angle right here, our one angle that we know besides 90. So adjacent means like next to. So the side close to that is not the hypotenuse is the adjacent side, the one that the angle is basically touching. And the side opposite or across from the known angle is obviously the opposite, and the third angle, which is larger than both of these and not one of the legs, is the hypotenuse. Alright, next we're going to find out which trig ratio we're going to be using. So the main equation, or I guess strategy to find your trig ratio is just SOHCAHTOA, and this stands for sine, cosine, and tangent. Those are our three trig ratios. So we can tell that we're using the opposite and hypotenuse because we have our variable and we know the length of the hypotenuse. Adjacent is out of the equation because we have no information on it. So opposite and hypotenuse, that means we're using opposite and hypotenuse, we're using sine. So next thing we're going to do is just set this up. We're going to do sine 30, because that's our angle. Just going to put that over 1. And for the equal value, it's going to be opposite over hypotenuse because of how SO is set up. That's just to remind us that opposite goes over hypotenuse. So we have x over 10. Now we cross multiply. That's going to leave us with x equals 10 times sine 30. Now to solve this, we're going to need our calculator. And I've got it right here. Alright, so here we have our three trig ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent. We're going to do 10. Sorry if you can't see that. I don't have a very big area. 10 times sine of 30. Close that. What do we get? We get 5. And that is our x. I'll just finish this up really quick. So this leaves us with 5. X equals 5. The length of our opposite side over here, x is 5. Thank you. Oh, and one thing I almost forgot is our exact form is 5, and we don't need to write a decimal approximate form because we have a whole number. I mean, I guess we could put 5.0 if the decimal mattered that much, but since we came out with an exact number, we're okay.